Check out that awesome thing. What is that? Just the usual Vancouver traffic. What's up, guys? What's up? So awkward. It's been a while. How are you? It's been a while. Come along with me. What's up? How are you? It has been so long since we've last spoken that my car needs to get a service. Come meet my friend Nick. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Wrong hand, I know. Where's Nick?
He's in shopping.
Alright, so, as you can see, car's about to get service, which is far overdue. For some people who don't know anyone who drifts or is into cars or anything along those lines, they can struggle to find a good mechanic. I thought I would try and find out how to find a good mechanic. So, top 3 tips for finding a good mechanic. I can only think of 3, so that's what I'm gonna go with. Tip number 1, friends, family, social media. Reach out to people, ask, do you know a mechanic? Can you suggest a mechanic? For most of us, our friends and our family are trustworthy, so if they've had a good experience at a shop, then that's probably gonna be a decent shop. Tip number 2, use Google. Google as much as you can. So once you've got the name of a couple of shops, Google them up, look at their reviews, see what they're good at, see what they're not good at. All right, tip number 3. I forgot the first 2 tips. Once you've found a shop, you've Googled it, it's got good reviews, go visit the shop. Look at where they work. Is it tidy? Is it not so tidy? Is it messy? Is it dirty? What I found is a good mechanic tends to be a little bit rough around the edges. Tip number 4, because I've thought of more tips, I think this might be my final tip. If you own a Toyota Corolla, don't take it to a mechanic shop that primarily deals with Mercedes or Audis or V-dubs. Take your car to the appropriate shop. If you have a look around me, most of the cars here, if not all the cars here, are all Japanese cars or Japanese imports. That's why I brought my Mazda 3 here. That's it for the tips. I can't think of anything else, so check out the sweet B-roll of Nickel Automotive.